Good morning, plumbers. If you don't know, we do everyday plumbing, the good, the bad, and the ugly, all while training my sons the plumbing trade, who are obviously not here today. For today's first plumbing adventure, we have an outside shower that somehow slipped through the cracks and needs to be repaired from a wintertime freeze-up. Are you a small business? Do you have a small plumbing business like myself? A service business? Are you still using paper? You gotta go paperless. I'm using the app House Call Pro. It's a great app. It's a game changer. Taking a customer's information, sending the guys out to the job via text, all through the phone, letting the customer know you're on your way, when you start the job, when you end the job, and of course, payment. Who wants to chase money anymore? Get direct payment right through the app and call it a day. Check out the link below, housecallpro.com/Chuck Barron, and get your free demo. If you use that link below, your first month is $19. Stay tuned and we'll see you at the job. Alright folks, we're here on an outside shower repair. The water's off. Upon further investigation, the dreaded frozen pipe. Let's make the repair and get the water back on. There it is. I got some play. I forgot my slip couplings, but we got play. I need a piece 8.5. I need my slip coupling. Oh! See? There it is. Just when you thought you didn't need it. Slip coupling. test. Here's our turn on. Oh, it's good. The cold is good. Let's go out and test it. I re-Teflon the shower head. No more leak. Thought I had the camera on, and I did. There you have it. We got the outside shower repaired. Copper pipe that froze up split. Cut it out, replaced it with some Pro Press. Turn the water back on, and they're free to run with the outside shower. With that, we will see you at the next one. Have a great day.